Tired of your Looker Studio reports looking like a jumbled mess? I'm going to show you how to take control and custom arrange your rows in Looker Studio for reports that are both visually appealing and incredibly easy to understand. First, let's select the chart we want to modify. Now, head over to the Properties panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Under the Setup tab, find the Sort section. This is your primary tool for arranging rows. Click on the Add Sort button to choose the dimension or metric you want to sort by. You can sort by any field in your table. Select your desired field and then choose either ascending or descending order. Play around with these options to get the exact arrangement you need. You can even add multiple sorts. This allows you to create complex hierarchical arrangements. For example, sort by region first, then by sales within each region. To further enhance readability, consider using conditional formatting. This allows you to highlight specific rows based on certain criteria, making key data points stand out. And that's it. By using sorting and conditional formatting, you can transform your Looker Studio reports from chaotic data dumps into clear, concise, and insightful visualizations. Happy reporting!